All right, welcome back. Let me show you what I got going on here. So, I watched somebody's video recently, and I saw them with these pencils. They were marking something. I'm like, I got to get me a set of them and try them out. But they're called, I don't know, Nick Pro or Nike Pro Carpenter pencil. This is a set of them. So it comes with two, a red one and a black one. And they're just click style pencils. What's nice about it is it comes with a little sharpener. So if you can keep that sharpener without losing it, right? Thing's nice. Works pretty good. See that? Come on, stay focused. Where's the camera? There. Where is it? There it is. Not bad. So, I don't know, for woodworking, nice sharp line. So, and it comes with this one was a 6-pack, whatever that means, 6 pieces in here. But it came with 4 packages of lead, a yellow, red, and the graphite ones. They're 2.8 millimeter anti-fading lead. So red, yellow, and gray graphite. Comes in a little case, sharpeners in there, and 2 of them. So I don't know, it's maybe not even 15 bucks on Amazon, of course. Made in China. Yep. So if you're interested, I think it's worth dropping that much on them. All right, talk to you later.